Alright, we got the Doosan Daewoo Lynx 220LC CNC 2-axis turning center.
Alright. Do a walk around first maybe, Harold.
Right.
Got the control already up and running. And coming around the side here. Chip pan, of course, skimmer, coolant motor. Not currently plugged in. Pneumatic section is right here. We can get over the top maybe and take a look at the ball screw. Maybe I'll jog the Z-axis back and forth and get it out of the way. You can see that pretty good maybe. So get it move over some. It's pretty clean in there. Actually, it's moving pretty good on the Rapid. What else? Back cover. That's what you just filmed over. Coming around the back. Switchgear panel. Currently wired 208 volts on the primary. I think it's rated 220. I'm giving it 208 right now. Processor, amplifier, an all-in-one package here. Servos and spindle. All in one box. Kind of convenient with the hydraulic power pack down below. Currently running. Got a gauge there somewhere, but it's up underneath there, you can hardly see it. And around this side, at the back side, maybe get a shot through the bore, spindle bore here. Hydraulic, the actuators right there, of course. Solenoid packages down here. And it's the bore. Coming around the front here, a couple of gauges. Chucking, of course, and coil pressure off the tailstock. And we can do chucking right away. In fact, if I hit it, you might see that thing bounce a little. I see it dip a little bit. We're not chucking anything, so you come around the front here, and I'll do it a couple times. Open, close. One more time. Open. There's close. And the coil, same thing, hydraulics in manual. That's all in pretty good shape. And maybe we could take Z back home, or maybe we could jog Z right now. We're in jog, so we can move that around a little bit maybe. That's in pretty good shape. And X is a little bit trickier. Let's see if I can bring that down some and go back up with it. Gotta watch this one, it's fast. That's that. Now if I can bring it home, maybe we could do a turret index, move it around a couple times. I've already homed it once, but I think we can still reference the X from here. Yeah, she's moving. Let it get all the way up there, and it'll give me index. Only take a second. That's good. Alright, so back in manual, we can go one this way, maybe one that way. Go a couple times. On this job that we're running, it's only calling for the one tool, so I'm going to put it back over here. This is the only tool it's calling for in the job. It just happened to be in there, so I left that program in there. It's calling for station number 2, so I'll leave it right there. Tailstock's manual, of course, with the hook and pull off the Z latch right there to grab it. And that said, what else? Yeah, that's it. We can go and jog. We can maybe do an MDI with the spindle a little bit here. Hang on a second. Go 1500. See if we can get it. Well, I didn't even get it into my mistake. Let me actually get into program mode. That looks better. Cycle start 1500. We'll start down at 40%. There's 600, 8, well 9. Let it sit there for a second. I'll just jump in and do 2500 right away. Lower that down, see how it sounds when it goes up. 25. a couple times. We're going to go over to manual here. And manual start from that speed. Stop. We call for reverse here. Stop. Again, that's 25 right there. And back to forward. We'll run for a second. We'll get that again on the job when we run it, because in fact I think they're running at 2,500 on this job if I'm not mistaken. So that said, yeah, we're back, we're home. I should be able to just jump in on the automatic cycle here, whatever they were running here, that job 2103, and we're chucked up, we're good, everything's home. We should be able to dive right in on this one, Harold, and see what we get here. We're on station number 2, so here we go. It's a 2-part program. It goes through this, then we hit it again, and it finishes off the program. So. That's the end of it. And just to show it diving in again, like if I bring this back a little bit and pick that up a little bit, just from whatever position. And same thing, I'm going to start that again, just kind of watch. I'm just going to the job program again, hit automatic cycle start, here we go, and do that same job again. Got surface speed turned on, and see how it speeds up a little bit as we go. Part 2. That's at 1800 they're calling for right there on the spindle speed. One more time, it's only a 20-second program. Here we go. First part. This is where you're using the surface speed, see, as they come in on it. And part 2 here. That's it, end of part. Maybe one more time with a pull back. We got the cover off there if you want to see a little bit in there. And there's the actuator. Pretty much it.